MTD Network have travelled to Southampton to GW Martin, and I'm with Richard. Now Richard, you're showcasing your latest investment, the Star SR38. Why did you purchase this machine and how is it benefiting your business?
Well, we bought this machine to help replace a machine we had here before. We had a multi-spindle machine here before that was basically full for about a third of the year. We were struggling really to fill it up with work that was what I would call profitable, had good margins, and so we looked to replace it. We bought this machine in because it's not as fast, but it is pretty fast, and other work we had planned for it. We knew that we could improve the cycle times by using this machine.
So is it just due to cycle time improvements that have made the components more profitable, or are there other features to this product that have made you more profitable in regards to the pricing of your parts?
Well, we're able to get a lot more done on each component now. The multi-spindle machine was quite limited in what it could do, specifically at the back end of the component. And some components we were struggling to get the whole thing made in one go, and we had to have second operations to do that. This machine will do it all in one go. It's got a lot more driven tools. Certainly at the back end it's got a lot more capability. So everything we're producing on here now is coming off in one go.
And how are you finding the unmanned running with this product?
It's excellent. I mean, this runs 24 hours a day. We've got what we call minimal operator interference. So we're basically, it's running now. There's nobody manning it, and it will carry on like that all through its working life, really.
Now, for the network viewers that are watching this program, you know, have you actually got any free capacity on this machine?
No, we haven't. It's full. I mean, it's been in here. This machine came in January. We ordered it in December. It came in January. I have to say, Star were outstanding in delivering the machine, setting it up and helping us get it running. And since it's been, it hasn't stopped, and I don't think this machine will stop now. But I just don't think this machine will stop now.
Richard, thank you.
Thank you, you're welcome.